tongue, A. Dog, B. Giraffe, C. Cat. Correct answer is B. Giraffe. Which bird can rotate its head almost completely? A. Parrot, B. Owl, C. Pigeon. Correct answer is B. Owl. What is India's rank in the world for milk production? A. First, B. Second, C. Third. Correct answer is A. First. When did the Government of India adopt the national flag? A. The 15th of August 1947, B. The 26th of January 1950, C. The 22nd of July 1947. Correct answer is C. The 22nd of July 1947. Which company continues to pay salary to an employee's family even after the employee's death? A. Tata Group, B. Reliance, C. Infosys. Correct answer is A. Tata Group. Paper used for reading is made from which tree? A. Bamboo, B. Pine, C. Mango. Correct answer is B. Pine. What is the national tree of India? A. Neem, B. Banyan, C. Peepal. Correct answer is B. Banyan. In which country do earthquakes not occur? A. Japan, B. Iceland, C. Qatar. Correct answer is C. Qatar. What was the name of the first Hindi-speaking robot? A. Indra, B. Mitra, C. Robo Hindi. Correct answer is B. Mitra. People of which place are said to never bathe? A. Desert people, B. Antarctica, C. People of Greenland. Correct answer is A. Desert people. Where was the first COVID-19 patient found in the world? A. Italy, B. China, Wuhan, C. USA. Correct answer is B. China, Wuhan. Which fruit is known as the queen of fruits? A. Mango, B. Lychee, C. Mangosteen. Correct answer is C. Mangosteen. Which country first discovered water on the moon? A. India, B. USA, C. Russia. Correct answer is A. India. In which country was a plan introduced linking tree planting with government jobs? A. Philippines, B. Brazil, C. Japan. Correct answer is A. Philippines. Which animal is considered the most aggressive? A. Lion, B. Buffalo, C. Hippopotamus. Correct answer is C. Hippopotamus. Which Indian state produces the most silver? A. Rajasthan, B. Jharkhand, C. Orissa. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Kuchipudi is a folk dance of which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Why is Earth called the blue planet? A. Because there are many forests, B. Because there is more water, C. Because there are more mountains. Correct answer is B. Because there is more water. Before Delhi, which city was the capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. Chennai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. When is World AIDS Day observed? A. The 1st of December, B. 5 June, C. 10 October. Correct answer is A. 8 December.